Happy Monday, Lumineers. My name is Jamie Butler, and I'm on Peterman Island. And I'm hanging out with the penguins and the wildlife. I wanted to talk to you today about sounds and how important they are and how they resonate with us. Sound is the deepest form of touch. It's moving directly through your physical body, and those frequencies are interacting with you. So pay attention to the sounds around you. Notice how your body reacts to those frequencies, because they are moving through you and healing your vibrational frequencies. Whether it's nature sounds, like the water behind me, or the penguins, they're checking out my bag. Or whether it's a song that comes on the radio. Sometimes we innately react to it. Our heart gets soft and happy. Sometimes the heart rate speeds up. This happens because sound has frequency, and our physical bodies are aligned with certain frequencies. The reason they align with certain frequencies was because of a need that we have that day. Commonly, it's based on an emotional need. So pay attention to the sounds around you. Notice how your body reacts to those frequencies, because they are moving through you and healing your physical body. Bye, Lumineers.